It's Andrew. I don't really know what I want my channel to be called. I know I played around with the tactical pedestrian name. I love tactical things. Um, I put a vice there. It's a vice I got for free, so it's the best kind of vice there is. Maybe I'll clean it up. Maybe that'll be a project sometime. Maybe I'll get an angle grinder out or something, then just repaint it like fire engine red or something. Black maybe. Anyway, um. So I don't really know what kind of channel I want to make, but I don't want to be tool oriented. And I mean, knives are tools. I love knives. I would love to be a knife maker someday. Maybe that'll be future videos on this channel. I don't know. But anyways, I got some knives I got to sharpen. I'll say hello to the camera quickly. Hi. If you can see me, can you see me? I got the respirator here just to take the proper precautions. Um, I I know I want to be tool related, and I know I want to do some like power tool reviews and maybe even a knife review, a couple knife reviews or something. Um, I love that stuff. I love the Second Amendment. I love stuff like that. I love freedom. Uh, Go America. Anyways, tonight we're gonna I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna be hard to hear. If you can hear me. I'm gonna sharpen my wife's knives. She said they were getting dull. Um they're getting kinda on the dull side. Harder to chop up stuff. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna reprofile a steak knife just to see how it comes out. We're gonna get rid of the serrations, and we're gonna go straight edge. And I've actually reprofiled this knife to a full flat grind, and this knife to a full flat grind, for better cutting performance. And then my wife loves her Santoku. It's just a KitchenAid Santoku. And then these are just some cheap knives from Walmart or Kmart, I guess. So let's get to it. All right, let me get this strapped up if I can with one hand. Oh man. Oh brother. I think I can do it. I did it. Okay, so safety first. Safety first. Okay. So we're gonna crack the grinder open. We're gonna put the 400 grit belt. 400. It's a used 400 grit belt, so it's not gonna cut as fast. But that's what I want it to do. I want it to put a cleaner edge on it. So I'm gonna do this all with one hand here. Sorry about the camera work. If I had a tripod, I'd be using it. So let's hop to it. I'm gonna do this one-handed. I got some balls. So let me see what I'm doing here. We're gonna go at about a 15-degree angle-ish. Ballpark it. Now I'm going to stop for a second. We're going to check right here. I'm going to move this. This is from our last project, acid stone washing, if you guys remember that. We're gonna put this over here in a safe spot. So we're going to check. I'm going to leave this on, this mask. I'm going to check for burrs, if I've raised a burr at all. I'm gonna guess that these are gonna sharpen pretty quickly and readily.
It's a softer steel. It'll sharpen good. It's good for the kitchen. I can see a little light shining off right here, so we're not... It's definitely nice and sharp still. Go to the next blade. Pretty dull. I'm not a pro, but it does the job. Okay, Santoku. Nice high grind on this one. Very acute edge, very thin edge. Now, this part will get sharp, so I'll just take a little nub off of it. Just for safety, just so it doesn't catch your finger or something like that, you know? It feels pretty good. Okay.
So, okay, this one feels pretty decent. Sorry, I'm sorry. This one feels pretty good. Yeah, it's got good, it's just catching. Without cutting myself, because I'm looking through the camera. Oh, man. That feels good. That feels good. Decent. This should be pretty good for your everyday tomato cutters. I will run them all over this. I might not videotape that. It's basically the same thing, just a little longer process. Now these dirty, nasty serrations. They tear my food apart, and I don't like it. I don't like what it does to my meat, like my steaks or my pork chops or my chicken. It just tears it apart and it doesn't make a clean cut, and therefore I don't get the slice I want to eat. It sounds kind of snooty, doesn't it? But anyways, we're gonna take one of those. I think we have 6 with our set, and we got the whole set. We got the whole set with the little block and everything. The whole set of these, like 6 of these, 6 steak knives, a chef knife, a boning knife, a bread knife, a cheap santoku. This one's cheap too, but one that matches this set, and it has a flat grind, and then it's just not good. Anyways, this is a full flat grind. It makes a good santoku, and so anyways, I got the whole set. It was like $20. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna come over here and grab a fresh 100 grit belt. Which is right here in my messy garage. So we're gonna grab one of these. I got some polishing stuff in there. Okay, so we're gonna come over here. Arrows in the way of the direction of travel. So we're gonna do this. If you want to know how dangerous these are, Tough Thumbs, the custom knife maker, his name's Jeff Bavette. Anyways, he's cut himself a few times. Who else is? Some other. I think I'm gonna live. Anyways, they've cut themselves, and it's not very pretty. So, mask is going on. There's dust in the air. As you can see, there's G10 dust there, too. So, I gotta do this fast so I don't have a huge upload on YouTube. So, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this.
Okay, so I got most of it, and that was the plan. Here we go. You can still see a little bit of the serrations, and I'm not sure how sharp that is. Let me take my mask off here. I'm not sure how sharp that is. I don't think I really got a good edge on it. I mean, it'll take a little more time, and we're at 16 minutes on video right now. But I mean, I got this sharp right here, closer to the handle. Pretty much wherever you can't see the serrations going on. It's a little on the sharp side. I don't know. What do you think? It doesn't look too bad. Too much glare. Too much light. I'm sorry. But I don't know. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to look at it close up. I'd use that as a steak knife. I mean, I'm going to finish it up a little more, but we can update with that later. Yeah, let me know what you think. Steak knives, non-serrated, serrated. I like non-serrated. It just does the trick for me. That's another video. Another video done. I'm Andrew. And we'll see you later.